Kid, it's me. Remember me?
Oh, great, it's the crazy lunatic.
What was that?
Oh, nothing, mister.
Hey, I'm, Santa Claus, right?
Oh, yeah, right, Santa Claus. How could I forget? We met a few times when you crept into my bedroom when I was asleep as a kid, then only more recently when you were drunk under a bridge. You're right, man. How could I forget a fine role model like you?
Ho, ho. Now, listen up. There's an imposter going around claiming he's me. He's ripping people off by posing for Santa pictures and charging for it. That's my money! If you take care of this imposter, then I can take what's rightfully mine and cut you in on the action, of course. What do you say?
Well, I wasn't expecting much in my stocking this year, so why not?
That's a spirit.
Come on, step right up, get your picture taken with Santa Claus. Come on, kiddies, tell him what you want for Christmas.
He's destroying everything! What are you doing to the North Pole? What do you think you're doing here, child? Oh, you elves want to deal with this or what? Get back here at once! He's off by this for good! Oh no, why not? Why are you doing that? What are you doing to the North Pole? Christmas is ruined! He's destroying everything!
I said I'd do it.
Did I tell you about our 30% off deal for regulars?
I like receiving presents. It would make me feel less insecure.
Step there, or bad things.
Kids.
Yeah!
Now I part.
Word up, Coolio!
Moron! Got something for you, punk!
Please, don't be so mean.
Loser!
Hi! Help your fellow Woolworth Academy. I can't wait to watch the game.
Come on, help me out here, please!
Good morning, class. Are we all ready to cut something open today? Take your time, boy. Dissection is an art. No, no. Gently, carefully.
Oh, that smells great.
Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Patience, Hopkins. You can't rush science. That went rather well. You have a steady hand for a ruffian.
Straight up awesome. I'm good. What can I say?
Oh, Jimmy, there you are. I've been looking all over for you.
Why, Miss Peters? What's the matter?
Well, you know how tonight is our Christmas pageant, right? It's kind of a pagan, spiritual, age-appropriate, loving thing we've got going on here. It's all about letting go and being really unself-conscious.
Sounds like heaven, miss.
Great. Well, we are about to go on stage in a couple of minutes, but our lead percussionist has appendicitis.
Oh, that sucks. Guess it's gonna be a rhythm-free pageant this year.
No! I've been planning this pageant for months. I have hand-sewn the costumes. I stayed up for days painting the backdrop for the stage. I've called on the good spirits to watch over us, and all the parents are now waiting in the auditorium.
So what do you want me to do about it?
You have to get up on that stage and play. You have to save the Christmas pageant.
Are you serious? Group participation in a public performance? No way! I'm a teenage boy.
No? What do you mean, no? You have to help me. Unless you plan on failing my course.
What? You gotta be joking, right? Oh, come on. The only boys my age who like that kind of stuff end up dancing in musicals or working for Hollywood. Please.
Do I look like I'm joking? You want another F, boy?
Okay, I'll do your stupid pageant. You know, for a hippie, you're a real bully, ma'am.
Peace and love, Jimmy. Oh, and there's one other thing. You'll have to wear this.
Oh, now I know you're joking. Oh, come on, Miss Peters. This is the kind of thing I'll have to talk to my therapist about when I'm older. Have a heart. I'll look like a complete moron in front of the whole school.
Well, in my opinion, you look like the hero who saved the Christmas pageant.
Yeah? Well, it's not your opinion I'm worried about.
You'll be fine. And now for a real holiday treat, I give you the holiday medley. Yes, yes. Please don't mess this up, Jimmy. Oh, yes. Christmas depends on you. Oh, yes. Thank you. It's alternate. Yes.
Done and done right.
Heya!
That was lame. Man, I don't know if I like drag.
Help your fellow Bullworth Academy.
I really need some help.
Now then, is everyone here? Excellent. Let's proceed. That's an unpleasant little sound. You're a natural at banging out the rhythm, Jimmy.
I rule! You hear about the nerds? They got...
It would be nice. Would you mind giving me a hand?
Another day bored. I wish something...
Hey, Santa. What's up?
Well, if it isn't my favorite little helper. You want to smoke? Oh no, I forgot. Little goody two-shoes doesn't smoke.
So, what are you up to? This, doesn't look like much of a workshop.
I know. We gotta fix this dump up. Look through some trash cans for ornaments or any junk that sparkles. This is a classy operation. We gotta look the part.
Oh, come on, man. With your whiskey breath and your weird manner? You just scream Christmas spirit to me.
Of course, I do. But this dump needs to look nice.
You leave it to me, Mr. Claus. Okay, man. Here's all the junk I could find.
Nice going, kid. I think we're just about ready for business. Oh, by the way, you brought a camera, right? I'm afraid the elves let me down this year.
Yeah, I kind of figured they would. Don't worry, I got it covered.
Good. Now, go stand over there and make me, I mean us, rich. Ho, ho, ho!
A skateboard, buddy! A skateboard! Hear me, old man?
Ow! I'm bunions! Are you insane?
All right, pose.
Ho, ho! Ho, ho!
This sucks! I never get what I want! I hate it!
I'm you, River. Oh, yeah!
This way.
I don't want to smile! Why should I? You suck!
Over here. Turn around.
Well, at least you're not me. All right, Megan, who's next?
Hi, Santa. You're the best. I want lots of presents this year, okay?
I'll see to it that this Christmas is the best Christmas ever.
Smile for the camera.
Oh, I knew it. Oh, Santa, you're the greatest. You're super duper awesome.
Is there anyone on this planet as generous as me? Well, look who it is now. It's you.
Does your sleigh have rocket boosters? Is it eco-friendly? Na-na-na-na-na-na.
Looking for a tutor or something? I got my PhD in the School of Hard Knocks. Sorry, kid. Places to be. Reindeer to feed.
You smell like horse poop. You smell like horse poop and rubbing alcohol.
If I had a nickel for every time I'd hear that,
Na-na-na-na-boo-boo.
Santa's thirsty. Let's get this over with. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho! I haven't seen this much dough since my days at the track.
The track?
Yeah, you know, the reindeer games, and, oh, hey, I might be able to catch the last race. Gotta go, kid. Here's your cut.
Glad that's done.
So you came.
Yup.
I bet you think I'm funny, don't you? A laughing stock?
Not really. I mean, you dress a little weird, but...
Yeah, and everyone is laughing at me. All of you at me!
What are you talking about?
Don't play dumb with me. Have you had her?
Who are you talking about?
I bet you have. Have you had her?
What are you doing? Who?
Lola! That slut! That slut I love.
No, man!
She's cheating on me, man. I know she is. The little slut. Oh, it's killing me. Me, dying over a broad? Oh, man, I knew this was coming.
What are you talking about?
She's with that rich kid, Gord. I know she is.
How do you know?
Will you find out for me? I can't take the suspense. Look, meet me at the underpass near New Coventry tonight. We'll get evidence. Bring a camera, and then we'll settle this once and for all. Nobody making a fool of each other. How goes it? Tall talk. Come on.
Screw off, kid. Why will my hands get clean? Don't step there, or bad things will happen. Don't step.
Have you ever, you know, kissed someone?
I don't think my daddy.
For me? Oh, thank you.
I feel strangely attracted to you.
Here are the pictures, Johnny. Lola's a bit of a slut, it seems.
I knew it! I just knew it!
That's it?
What's this Gord kid got that I ain't got?
Nothing.
You think it's funny, don't you? You think I'm a joke? Well, my little friend, I'm the king around here. Me!
I know. You're the king.
But my queen is a slut, and now everybody's laughing at me! Well, not anymore!
I'm not laughing.
Good. Good, kid. You and me, we're gonna teach young Gord to keep his dirty paws off my woman. My queen. Get him to the abandoned building in New Coventry behind Union Hall. I'll be waiting there to school that little weasel.
I'll be there.
Well, hello, Gord. Seems like you've been messing where you ought not.
No, cousins are legal. Oh, you mean Lola?
Yeah, my woman. Now you pay! some of that burning hatred out of my system. Here's your cash. Now scram.
Yeah, okay, Johnny. That's how it's done.